Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce study abroad fees with PNC Bank, detailed guide step by step. Many students dream of studying abroad but are often deterred by high costs. Fortunately, PNC Bank offers various financial solutions to help you reduce your study abroad fees. First, explore PNC Bank's international student loans. These loans can cover tuition fees, living expenses, and travel costs. Visit the PNC website to check eligibility requirements for these loans. Next, complete the online application process. Make sure to gather necessary documents like your acceptance letter and financial information. Once you've submitted your application, wait for PNC to review it. In addition to loans, consider opening a PNC foreign currency account. This account allows you to hold funds in multiple currencies, potentially reducing conversion fees. Check the current exchange rates to understand how much you'll need to deposit. Another option is to use PNC's budget planning tools. These tools can help you manage your finances effectively while studying abroad. Set a monthly budget for both expected and unexpected expenses. Keep an eye out for any special study abroad promotions offered by PNC. These promotions may include reduced fees or better loan rates. Reach out to a PNC representative to discuss your financial needs in detail. They may provide personalized advice tailored to your situation. Finally, monitor your spending and adjust your budget as necessary. This proactive approach will help you stay on track and reduce excess costs. By leveraging PNC Bank's resources, you can make your study abroad dream a reality without breaking the bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.